Waterdrop 10 Waterdrop Maxblue compatible under sink. Short note on price. Shows options and bundles for Waterdrop's under sink family. Check the product page for live pricing and included parts. I'll add the buy link in the description. We share buy links in description box. This variant, sometimes sold bundled with an RF10 replacement or branded Maxblue cartridges, is another compact Waterdrop under-sink family member that emphasizes NSF/ANSI reductions, tool-free quick installs, and a small footprint. The product page calls out compatibility notes, what replacement cartridge to buy, the usual twist and lock replacement ease, and a design intended for renters or anyone who doesn't want to drill a faucet or install a tank. It's basically Waterdrop's convenient first approach to under-sink filtration. From the customer threads, people love the simplicity, quick installs, clear step-by-step instructions, and obvious taste improvements. A few buyer comments to keep in mind when you present this on camera. Double-check which cartridge comes in the bundle. Some listings include the RF10 or Maxblue branded cartridges. Watch for seller variations on price, and be aware that this style is optimized for municipal supply rather than raw well water unless you add pre-filters. Overall, the Waterdrop under-sink family, including the PRO Maxblue compatible SKUs, is a low-friction, good-tasting water solution for most urban homes. Pros: ultra-simple install, NSF/ANSI, third-party certification claims on certain models, compact size and replacement cartridge ecosystem. Cons: confirm exact SKU and cartridge included on, not a replacement for RO when ultra-low TDS is required, and recurring cartridge cost. For an easy under-sink upgrade that's camera-friendly and renter-friendly, Waterdrop's compact systems are an excellent on-screen demo. And yes, we share buy links in description box so viewers can see which bundle matches their needs.